traffic, Lake 2536 Pop. 9 mile final for 15 Apopka. Down to 17.
Traffic 32 here, clear the exit, final call. And 5 System 19 X-ray taking off runway 15 Pop traffic 09 Fox, turning right base 15, touch go Apopka.
What was the wind? Oh, I don't know.
Orlando, Apopka, automated advisory, wind 200 at 5 knots with gust to 10, temperature 29 Celsius, 2.18 Celsius, altimeter 3008, density altitude 1,600.
Number one traffic 127, vector turning right downwind for 140.
I didn't get the wind. Where did she say? 200.
Traffic 09 Fox, turning final 15, touch go Apopka.
They're using 15.
And 3412 Whiskey, overhead.
He's going to have a right
turn left downwind for 10. Apopka traffic, Sierra November 238 Fox to Bravo, joining downwind runway 15.
Once you cross. Once you cross Justin.
3412 Whiskey, downwind for 10.
780. And when that becomes magenta.
Orlando, Apopka, automated advisory, wind 170 at 5 knots with gust to 10, temperature 29 Celsius, 2.18 Celsius, altimeter 3008, density altitude 1,600.
Down to 780. Apopka traffic, Lake 2536 Pop, 5 mile final for 15 Apopka. Down to 780.
Apopka traffic, Sierra November 238 Fox to Bravo, base runway 15 Apopka. Apopka traffic, 09 Fox on the departure leg, 15, back goes traffic, pocket final for 10.
Bob, you're going off course. Runway's over there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Gear coming down.
Gear coming down.
Flaps coming down.
Apopka traffic, Sierra November 238 Fox to Bravo, final runway 15. Goes up.
Forward.
Apopka traffic, Cherokee 5153 Lima's taxiing A3 to A to runway 15.
Do you see where the runway is, Bob?
I don't see it.
Okay, you've got to turn about 20 degrees to the left.
Okay.
Apopka traffic, 09 Fox, right across the 15, Apopka.
That's what can be confusing. If you're making a pretty big correction, then you don't know, you're looking the wrong spot because you're correcting left and you're looking over there.
Okay. Level off here.
Apopka traffic, 09 Fox, right down 15, Apopka.
Okay, just kind of hold this heading. The runway is off to the left.
Yeah, I got it.
see the runway?
Okay, we got our runway. Wheels down, flap down, mixture rich, propeller full forward, bags on both, battery on, alternator on.
Right. Confirm the gear is down. I confirmed that. Apopka traffic, Lake 2536 pop, 1.2 mile final. Full stop landing, runway 5, 15, Apopka.
The wind seems to be from all over the place.
Watch for those telephone wires. And level off. There you go. Now you see the Pappy.
Yep. Red over white.
Yep.
Pilot the light.
That's three planes ready to take off.
Oh.
Apopka traffic 09 Fox, turning right base, 15, touch go, Apopka. Apopka traffic 09 Fox, turning final, 15, touch go, Apopka.
Got a little high.
Okay.
Got a little bit high on my floating in. Busy. Wednesday afternoon. Got a big. Yeah, we had a right crosswind a little.
Yes.
Quartering right crosswind.
Apopka traffic 09 Fox, short final, 15, touch go, Apopka.
Apopka traffic, Lake 2536 pop. Off active 15, Alpha for Charlie 4.
Okay. Won't put gas in, we'll worry about gas next. Might go to Umatilla. 3 o'clock. Wants to leave at 3:30. So we landed at 3:06. Well, it worked out all right. Couldn't get into the lake, but it worked out all right on our timing. We kind of had to get back. There was another problem getting back. Yeah. Hey, I'm not getting that static now. Getting that static?
No.
Engine?
I wish the hell I did.
Yeah. When did it get perfect?
It's 3:08, so we're in good shape. Telling us to cut it.
Okay, radio's off. Tell it.
Off.
Radio's off. Amp light off. Strobe light off.
Mixture lane.
Mixture lane.
Battery and all.
Battery. .45 minutes, so that's 7/10 of an hour. So it took 0.7 to get home and 0.8 to get up there. So we got 1.5 hours in the book. I wonder what that is. It's kind of an office building, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of a nice building.
Who knows?
Everything work all right?
We're getting a static. I don't know what it's from, but it's not the radios. I turned one radio off, another one off. It wasn't the radios, and it wasn't the volume on the radios, but it's just a kind of loud, continuous.
Did you try the squelch?
Well, it could have been that. Could have been that.
Yeah, the squelch, I just turned it up midway. You can turn it down anyway.
You want to turn it on?
Yeah.
Okay. Battery on.
That's the volume, this is your squelch.
Oh, okay. I bet you that's what it was. I hear nothing.
Yeah.
Well, let me plug in.
Yeah, because it was loud.
It was loud, yeah.
It's probably the
But
squelch.
after we landed, it was fine.
Yeah, that's
Why would it do that?
because you have a lot more ambient noise when, when
A
you're
lot more
flying.
what?
Ambient noise when you're flying.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That's,
Okay.
that's what it
Plugged
sounded
in
like.
now.
Sounded like the Airstream.
Do I need to have the radio on to get a
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it's probably the squelch. You have to adjust that for.
Oh, okay. Now I know what to do anyway to start working. I fooled with the radios, and I couldn't figure it out. The volume had nothing to do with it at all. So you think it's the intercom?
Yeah, it's,
Okay.
it was just a squelch. I'm guaranteeing that's what it was.
Okay.
That's
I
what
hear
it sounded-
nothing now, but we don't have enough.
Yeah. Now it should be open.
Yeah.
You hear it?
No. No squat. No.
About that way.
Nothing. It's all perfectly quiet right now.
I guarantee it's the squelch. You just gotta adjust it to where it doesn't. It's not loud.
That's the squelch, and this is the
The volume. Yeah.
Okay. Squelch, and volume.
This is the volume. That's the volume. This is the co-pilot squelch. This is the pilot squelch.
Oh, okay.
So you just adjust that till it's
Pilot squelch,
Yeah.
co-pilot squelch, and volume, and you can push these in.
No, you just if you want to turn it off, you just go all the way this way,
Oh, okay.
and it turns it off.
Oh, not this one, just
not
this one.
just that one. Yeah.
Okay, but I don't know. That light comes on, doesn't it?
Yeah, that light comes on. That tells you that you're receiving, and when you transmit, it turns red.
Oh, okay. So just leave it alone.
See?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, there it is transmitting. Okay. So we just leave that alone and leave this on and off switch
adjust
alone.
Yeah, just adjust the squelch and the volume the way you want them, and then
Is that new?
Yeah.
You just put that in?
that's good, Yeah.
the other one was companies out of business. They had taken all the transistors and they took the numbers off of them, so I couldn't tell what they were.
Yeah.
And so I just wanted
Had to start over.
Yeah, put a new one in there.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Now we know what to do.
Yeah. Yeah, you get a lot more ambient noise when you're flying, and then that's probably it was breaking the squelch.
They give you any documentation
Oh,
on
okay.
that?
That was making
Yes.
that was making it
Yeah.
squelch.
I've got it somewhere. I'll go find it for you.
Yeah, because maybe we should have that in the plane.
Yeah, you should. You should have a.
Is that the book?
Yeah,
Yeah.
documentation.
Nice to have the book. I didn't realize that was brand new. I didn't pay attention to it at all.
Well, they could have told you, but anyway, I know. But they're good, they fix
Yeah,
it.
they know what they're doing. They do a good job, but they ought to kind of give us a little cockpit checkout.
Well, make sure we're familiar with.
we knew nothing about it.
Make changes.
We knew nothing about it. I was fooling with everything, but I didn't think of fooling with intercom. He said you probably had too much squelch,
Yeah,
and we just.
that's what it sounded like.
It did to me too.
Did you ever
just
see-
never stopped. It had no bearing on volume or anything. No bearing on the radios. It was all the intercom.
Yeah, when I turn this on, you hear that?
Yeah.
All right. See?
Okay. Adjusting the squelch.
This is what we heard.
Traffic, Sierra November 238, Foxtrot Bravo, joining downwind runway 15.
And I just used a print that I had, and I put the differences between the two of them, and I just made myself a chart.
That's a PM1000?
Yeah, PM1002.
Okay. I'll download it and then I'll email it to you. How's that?
Okay, that'd be great.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Show
you.
where the aux jacks are?
No, I did not. Do you have aux jacks? In the event all else fails, you've got two jacks over here to go directly to the radios.
Oh, okay.
Right
They're on the right side?
Yeah, on the right side, they go directly to the radios.
What are they underneath? They go straight up?
Yeah, they're on the side.
Oh, on the
You
side?
had your aux jacks were on the bottom, but I couldn't get them back in the holes.
Yeah, so they're on the side?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're kind of they're easier to see. You couldn't see them before.
Okay, no, I didn't know they were there.
Yeah.
So this is aux jacks.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where you plug in your hand mic, and
Oh.
and you've got a hand mic place right here. It's got a place to hold the hand mic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
you know,
never used that.
it's
Oh,
just,
yeah, it's got a hanger there.
Yeah. And
Never
where
used that. The speaker works in this airplane.
Yeah, it does. I noticed.
Yeah, never used it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, sir.
Well, you're welcome.
yeah, so you could plug in, like I could plug in this radio right in there?
Yeah, you could.
Okay. I got it.
Yep.
And if I plug it in there, will I transmit out the plane?
Yes.
And not this.
Oh no, you can't do that. You can.
Yeah, because I have jacks.
Yeah.
I have jacks that go in here.
Yeah, those can go in there. Yeah.
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 Not this. No, but
yeah.
the jacks. If I could get a connector to go in there,
might
I
even
could
have-
transmit out.
I might have some.
You can
See-
transmit out.
Yeah, I could use this radio if I could connect it to the system.
Yeah,
I could use this in a pinch. I could use this radio to
transmit.
transmit.
transmit out of the airplane.
Right. Right now, it's got a range of about maybe 5 to 10 miles.
Yeah.
But if I go out of the aircraft antenna, I can go a lot further than that.
Yeah.
They're designed for limited range.
I bought this for a previous handheld that I had, and that might fit that. Yeah. Yeah. It's like that. Well, no, it's not.
No, not quite. But I have those.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I have those. That.
I've got an STS now. I got that one because it's got a full 5 watts out, so I don't even need to use an external antenna when I'm flying.
Yeah. This is an old radio from Sporties.
Yeah.
But it's good. It's reliable.
Yeah.
I mean, but you have to use them once in a while, you know.
Yeah, I got my STS. That's what I use for most of my. I'm checking out stuff. It's got a full 5 watts out, so I don't even have to have an external antenna. I flew a Skymaster from northern Michigan with that one little radio. It's got a VOR in it, and flew all the way back to Florida.
I like the Skymaster.
I do too.
Push pull.
Push me pull you, yep.
Yeah.
That was for someone here on this field. He put an automobile engine on the rear engine.
I'll be darned. What do you do with it?
He sold it to South African government.
Oh.
It only burns about 5 gallons an hour on that rear engine, and so as soon as they get airborne, they secure the front, feather the prop, and they cruise at 5 gallons an hour, and it's got an LS7 engine on it.
That's in Africa.
Yeah, it's in Africa. They put
Got it pulled up. I need your email address. Don't just send it to you direct.
Oh, okay.
they put the